Honorable Chancellor Sir, on the very auspicious day, 8th December 2020, wishing you a very happy birthday to you, sir. As a Chancellor of all the 4 campuses of VIT institutions, you have set a standard in higher education institutions in the country. You have ignited the minds of several lakhs and lakhs of students who have acquired the education, knowledge from VIT institution and continue to serve as a knowledge center for them. You are the source of career development for the students who have studied these institutions, and you have lighted lamps of their family and for their economic development. And you are the source of inspiration for all VITians, and in particularly you are my mentor and inspiration in my profession. And the day of your birthday, I would like to mention you that you are the best academic leaders whom I have met during the entire career. At the day of celebrating your birthday, I wishing you many happy returns of the day, and I wish that all your dreams comes to true and all your wishes and blessings to us brings you laurels to the institutions. Thank you, sir.
As we commemorate this day, the 8th December, the world was gifted with a remarkable being, a truly inspirational visionary. I join my hands in salutation to the legend that you are. Happy birthday, sir. You are truly an inspiration to all of us, a role model for your simplicity, care and concern for the people, deep understanding of the current trends world over, boundless enthusiasm and deep commitment to the morality and ethics in all dealings. Once again, happy birthday, sir.
Dear sir, your innovative, enthusiastic vision and persistent work has paved the way for an exemplary education for thousands of students and staff in India. I take great pleasure in wishing you a very happy birthday on behalf of Campus Development Team, VIT Bhopal.
இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் சான்சலர் சார்.
Many happy returns of the day, sir. Honorable Chancellor sir has inspired many of us. We look forward to you for your vision and visionary leadership and motivation. Wish you a very happy birthday once again and stay blessed, and hope many more birthdays to be celebrated by all of us. Thank you.
Dear Chancellor sir, many more happy returns of the day with joy. I wish you plenty of joy today and every day of the coming year. You are a fantastic example of wisdom, exemplary leadership and foresight. On your birthday, I wish you peace, good health and happiness. I thank you for being a thoughtful and wise leader that I respect and admire. Happy birthday, sir.
I am extremely happy to deliver the birthday wishes to our dear Chancellor sir. Many more happy returns of the day, dear Chancellor sir. Stay blessed, long live.
Many happy returns of the day, Chancellor sir. On behalf of School of Advanced Science and Languages, I wish you a happy birthday. Your determination, vision inspire us to do our best. We also wish you a very long fulfillment and prosperous life ahead. Thank you.
It is an honor and a rare privilege to wish our beloved Chancellor Dr. G. Vishwanathan on the auspicious occasion of his birthday. He is a person of superlative character, married with unparalleled dynamism. His contribution to the Indian society is immense in the arena of higher education. The achievement of creating an institution like VIT Vellore, which has been accorded the Institute of Eminence status by the Government of India, is unparalleled in the history of higher education in India. I again wish him a very happy birthday. Thank you.
Respected Chancellor Sir, from the deep of my heart, we know that you are the great mentor and advisor and motivator to all of the IITs. So, by your motivations, your guidance, our workspace got more joy and support to achieve our great heights. Happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Respected Chancellor Sir, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. You are a blessing and inspiration to us in many ways. You have been a guiding light. May your education services continue forever. You have made me one of the proud VITians. Happy birthday, sir.
Great visionary, great mentor, great leader who touched the life of so many thousands of people by providing access to the education to each and every section of the society. Wishing you very happy birthday, sir.
Dear sir, your dedication, determination and vision inspires us in giving our best for all the works that we do. It is a auspicious day for you. Happy birthday. We have seen you as one of the best leaders and a mentor for us. We really like to have you as a mentor for all the activities and for our future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Wishing a very happy birthday to our beloved Honorable Chancellor Sir. I am grateful to work under his dynamic guidance. May you achieve new heights and your all wish be fulfilled, and you have all good time with your family. Many returns of the day, sir.
Good morning, sir. It's an honor and privilege to be a team member of your transformational leadership. A transformation leader who always identifies the change, need for a change, and creates a vision to execute the change in tandem with committed team members. On your birthday, sir, I wish you a long and healthy life to keep leading the higher education community in India. Long live Chancellor, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Wish you very happy birthday to our Honorable Chancellor, sir. I wish you better days, good health and long life to sustain you. Thank you, sir.
GV sir, a great visionary leader who motivated thousands of students to dream and also make sure that they are capable to turn their dreams to reality. A very happy birthday to Honorable Chancellor sir.
Warm greetings to Honorable Chancellor sir on your auspicious occasion of your birthday. You are the fantastic example of wisdom, leadership and foresight. We pray for your good health, long life and happiness. Happy birthday, our beloved Chancellor sir. Thank you.
Dear Chancellor, wish you many more happy returns of the day from the bottom of our hearts. Thanks for being a mentor, leader and visionary motivator. Thank you.
Happy birthday, sir. I wish you a great health and a long life with prosperity and a true happiness.
A very happy birthday wishes to our respected Chancellor sir. Teaching and learning are both two sides of the same coin. Teachers are one side, learners are another side. Both are pillars of being.
Dear Chancellor sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. I wish to God for your healthy and happy life. Aap jiyo bajao sir.
Respected Chancellor sir, I would like to thank you the opportunity to for wishing you a great leader on the great day. A well-known slogan of VIT is place to learn and chance to grow. It's not only for the students, also for the faculty members. You are providing opportunity to the faculty to learn a lot of things, and it's a chance to grow for ourselves also. So I wish you a very happy birthday to you, sir. May God give you a healthy and fruitful life, sir. Thank you.
Respected sir, it's indeed a pleasure for me to wish you on this auspicious day many, many happy returns of the day, sir. And I'm looking forward for the day when I can meet you in person, learn from you, and have discussion with you. May God give you health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Once again, a very happy birthday to you.
Honorable Chancellor Sir, wish you a very happy birthday. There are only a few dates that can be compared to providing education to a scholar who seeketh wisdom and knowledge. You have provided this with the help of the perfect platform, VIT. As a leader and educationist, your vision to impart quality higher education in India has transformed engineering. In this quest of serving humanity, I have been a part of VIT from last 8 years, and your leadership has always inspired me to do better each day. Once again, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health, strength and longevity.
Sincere regards to our Honorable and beloved Chancellor Sir. From the entire fraternity of electrical engineering, we wish you many, many happy returns of the day. You have always touched the lives around you with your wonderful praise, motivation, support and guidance, and we are blessed to be a part of the same. On this auspicious day, we from the entire electrical engineering department wish you a wonderful happy birthday, and may the coming years ahead bring a lot of good health, peace of mind and happiness in your life today, tomorrow and onwards. Thank you and sincere regards.
Good morning, Honorable Chancellor Sir. Today this is a special day, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sir. May God continue to bless you and give all blessings and luck for the many years to come in your life. Now, in this special day, I would like to add something that you always give us a knowledge and education to all of us. So for this, we all are very thankful to you always, and you are always act as a pillar to give knowledge, inspire us and guide us in all aspects. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. I wish a very happy birthday to our Honorable Chancellor, sir. May your birthday be as magnificent as your impact on us.
It is my privilege and honor to give the birthday wishes to the most amazing person I have ever met in my life, to our beloved Chancellor sir. May your blessings always be with us. Thank you.